Today, car enthusiast PJ tells us about the Renault Duster.
We bought the Renault Duster 2019 model new as a runabout, but we did a couple of long trips with it to Namibia and from Klerksdorp to Cape Town and back, and it has a very comfortable drive. It seats 4 persons with ease and has ample luggage space. Finishes are ample and adequate for a car in this price range. Quite a bit of road noise. Keep it below 120 kilometers an hour and it'll return a frugal 17 kilometers to the litre. Take it a bit up to 130 kilometers an hour and it returns a still acceptable 15 kilometers per litre. Although it has an auto gearbox, the acceleration and torque pleasantly surprised me because it's only a 1.5 litre turbo diesel. I think all in all, it is good value for money, as I paid 325,000 Rand for it in 2019. And at 46,000 kilometers, it is still ticking over faultlessly.
Please subscribe.